Okay, let's talk about heat pumps. Heat pumps have been massive in the media lately. I'm reading about heat pumps every single day. And it's really got me thinking, what sort of property is going to be suitable for a heat pump? Now, I was always under the impression that heat pumps are only ever going to work in new build properties. Well, in fact, according to a case study that was recently carried out and government funded, it indicated that heat pumps may be viable in other properties. The study carried out over 742 properties ranging from Victorian terraces to pre-World War II semis up to 60s builds. And in a lot of those cases, the vast majority, in fact, the heat pump worked. Now, it was only down to the case of insulation levels rather than the age of the property. So, what that means is older properties may be suitable for a heat pump as long as it's very, very well insulated. Insulating lofts, walls, making sure that you're minimizing heat loss by insulating vents and sealing open chimneys are what is going to be key to ensure that the home is going to be heated with a heat pump. The other important thing to notice when you're installing a heat pump is you need to have somewhere for the external unit. Now, the external unit is a large fan and will be placed outside of the property. Because of that, you will need either a hard-standing patio or surface or wall space to be able to house that unit. Now, that unit is quite large and there is noise from that unit as well. You are going to have to think about where to situate it near neighbouring properties, though not to cause a disturbance. Based on the information in the case study, heat pumps are available in older properties, but of course, insulation is what is going to be key.